Welcome to OnRobot's Sanding Application Guide. Sanding applications eliminate imperfections and prepare the surface of the workpiece to achieve the desired finish and enhance its overall appearance. In this guide, we will go over the best practices, considerations, and main technical details needed to successfully deploy the application. The Sanding Application Guide is divided into simple, short, and direct videos that cover the general overview of a sanding application, the OnRobot's sanding system, and finally, an overview on how to program a sanding application. You can watch the complete video series in order or be free to jump directly to the topic that interests you. Let's get started.